Hey everyone, remember the legendary Unity desktop that defined Ubuntu for many years with its vertical launcher, global menu, and super productive workflow? Many people thought Unity died back in 2017, but it never really went away. Today, I am excited to bring you a full review of Ubuntu Unity 26.04 Resolute Raccoon, the latest release of the official Ubuntu flavor that brings back the classic Unity experience on modern hardware. Ubuntu Unity is an official community flavor of Ubuntu that uses the Unity 7 desktop environment instead of GNOME. While the main Ubuntu edition moved to GNOME, fans who love the old Unity workflow now have a perfect home. Version 26.04 is built on the brand new Ubuntu 26.04 LTS base, released in April 2026. Although this flavor itself is a regular release, the team is providing excellent long-term support for it. This release focuses heavily on stability and modernization while preserving everything that made Unity special. The developers have fixed numerous bugs, especially with window decorations on modern GTK and libadwaita apps. Snap apps now pin correctly, tap to click on touchpads works reliably, and the global menu has seen big improvements thanks to better integration with Vala Up menu. Visually, you get fresh new wallpapers designed by Azi Novaes, along with updated themes that feel clean and modern while staying true to Unity's classic look. Under the hood, the team has cleaned up deprecated libraries, switched to Light Locker for screen locking, and included the latest Linux 7.0 kernel. You also get significantly better hardware support and all the security improvements from the main Ubuntu 26.04 release. Even though Unity still runs on X11 with compies, the overall experience feels much more polished in 2026. What makes Unity special even today is its incredibly productive workflow. The vertical launcher global menu that saves vertical screen space, the famous HUD, just press Alt to search commands inside any app. Super fast dash and smooth workspaces make it one of the most efficient desktops on Linux. For many users coming from Windows or Mac OS, Unity still feels more natural and set it and forget it compared to heavily customized GNOME setups. In terms of performance, Ubuntu Unity 26.04 runs smoothly on both modern and older hardware. It feels lighter and more responsive than a GNOME desktop loaded with extensions. It's perfect for long-time Unity fans, power users, developers, and anyone who values productivity and a traditional desktop layout. However, if you want the latest Wayland features or extreme customization, you might prefer other desktops. If you want to try it, just head over to the official Ubuntu Unity website and download the 26.04 ISO. I highly recommend testing it in live mode first. The installation process is simple and straightforward. So is Ubuntu Unity 26.04 worth installing in 2026? For me, absolutely. It's currently the best and most refined version of Unity we've seen in years. What about you? Did you use Unity back in the day? Are you planning to install Ubuntu Unity 26.04? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Linux content. Thank you for watching. Stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video.